Johnny Depp's side said that he wasn't the abuser in this marriage to Amber Heard, but in fact Ms. Heard was the abuser. His lawyer told the jury that she was manipulative, that she had spun a narrative that she was a victim of domestic abuse, and that included writing this op-ed on which the whole case centres, in which she said she was a victim of domestic abuse. She didn't name Johnny Depp in that piece, but it's on the basis of that piece that he's brought this case against her. She said, for example, during this fight they had when they were staying on the Gold Coast while he was doing some filming, and there was definitely this very aggressive argument of which we've heard two wildly contradicting accounts. She said there was a monster in that house in Australia, but it wasn't Mr. Depp. It was Miss Heard.
What we have is a mountain of unproven allegations that are wild, over the top, and implausible. And you can't pick and choose which of these wild allegations to believe and which ones to disregard. You either believe all of it or none of it.
Now, her lawyers, on the other hand, said that there was freedom of speech under First Amendment rights in the US, and therefore that her writing that op-ed in which she didn't name Johnny Depp, that was her right under freedom of speech laws. They also said that Johnny Depp was the abuser. They played again to the court a video she had taken where Johnny Depp seen smashing up a kitchen, essentially, and Ms. Heard's lawyer told the court, well, that in itself is abuse in a relationship. He said, if you find that Johnny Depp abused Amber Heard on any one occasion, then she must win this case.
So we're fighting back, and that's the counterclaim. She finally has said enough, enough. And we're asking you to finally hold this man responsible.
It's taking place here in Fairfax, Virginia, because one of the printing presses of the Washington Post, which published that op-ed, is here in Virginia. And at times it's felt more like you're in LA, really. There's been fans lining up at the back of the court every day, dressed up in, Johnny Depp Pirates of the Caribbean outfits. There's been booing, there's been cheering. Many of the people are Johnny Depp fans, although a few Amber Heard supporters have also been outside court today. Let's just hear a little bit from some of those people who gathered today.
I think he's a good guy overall. I think he's been through a lot, and during this whole experience just made it even worse. So.
I support Amber Heard 100% because I believe that she's a victim and survivor of domestic violence, like millions of other Americans in the United States. I think what we saw here in this trial has been just disgraceful in terms of social media.
Just trying to stay neutral towards the whole thing, honestly.
Neutral in your Pirates of the Caribbean hat?
Yes, neutral in my Pirates of the Caribbean hat.
And the jury has to reach a unanimous decision in this case. We've just entered a holiday weekend here in the US, Memorial Day on Monday, so they will pick up deliberations again on Tuesday local time.